All right, good day everyone. In our previous class, I told us we're going to be working on variation. We're going to be doing workings on variation. I told us in that previous class the different type of variation we have. I told us we have direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, and partial variation. This question is a question relating to direct variation. And when you have this kind of question, please don't give yourself unnecessary headache. It is very simple. You just need to understand how it works. The question says, if A, interpret the question, if A varies directly as the cube root of B, the cube root of B, are we together now? And A is 3, B is 64, find the formula connecting the variables together. So finding the formula that connects the variables together, every variable always has a constant number. When you have a variable number, you also have a constant number. And constant number remain the same in all variables of that same question. So you have times K. So the formula connecting these variables is A varies directly to the cube root of B and K. Are we together now? This is what you're asked to find, which is the formula connecting the variable. Now, before you can find what your B is, you must first of all know what your constant is, which is our K. So knowing what constant is, A, we have been told that A is 3, varies directly to the cube root of B, and our B is what? Our B is 64, then times K. You can put times K, you can just put K there. It's still the same thing. So we have 3 equals to, now I've told you in our previous class how to find the cube root of any number or the root of any number without using your calculator. What this one is telling you is that there is one number that if you multiply it in 3 places, it's going to give you 64. So how do you go about that? If you try 2 in 3 places, you have 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 times 2 will give you what? It will give you 8, and that is not working. So the next number you are going to go for is 3. 3 in 3 places, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. Definitely that is not working. The next number you go to is 4. 4 in 3 places, 4 times 4 will give you 16. 16 times 4 will give you what? 64. So obviously what we have here is what? Is 4K. 4K. I want to keep using the red marker. So we have 4K, we have our K here. So what is this telling you? Divide both sides by what? By 4. So we have K equals to 3 over 4. This is a proper fraction, so there's no need of breaking anything. There's nothing you even want to break there. So this is what you have as your K. Now that you found what your constant is, then we have to find what our B is. Let's do that on the other side of the board here. So doing this, we have A, which is what? We've been told that our A is 15 over 4. Are we together now? Okay, to find B, so that you know what we are doing. So we have 15 divided by 4 varies directly to the cube root. The cube root of what? What is the cube root of B? We don't know because B is what we are looking for. But we sure know that our constant is 3 over 4. Are we together here? So what are we doing here? So we have 15 over 4 equals to 3 over 4 in the cube root of what? Cube root of B. So here we divide both sides by 3 over 4. 3 over 4. So this, we eliminate this. So what we have left is what? We have the cube root of B equals to 15 divided by 4 divided by 3 over 4. In the law of reciprocal, changing this to multiplication, we have the cube root of B equals to what? We have 15 over 4 times 4 over 3. Denominator will become denominator, denominator will become denominator. Just normal direct thing. So from here now, if you look at this, we eliminate this. 3 will go here 1, 3 will go here 5. Are we learning something here? So are we together? Then what we have equals to, we have the cube root of B equals to what? Equals to 5. That is what you have left there. So here, how do you eliminate this your cube root? It's just like you want to eliminate your square root. If you want to eliminate square root, you're going to use roots to eliminate square root. So if you are eliminating cube root now, you're going to use the power of 3, which is 3. B raised power 3 here, 5 raised power 3. So obviously this one We cancel this one. We have b equals to 5 raised to power 3. So that means 5 in 3 places. Therefore, b equals to what? 5 times 5 will give us 25. 25 times 5 will give us 125. So we have 125 gas canning. So this is a very direct question, very simple. Should in case you have more questions on this, you can send it to me, and remember to follow us on all our pages. See you in the next class. Peace out.